What's up, guys? Welcome back. Just a quick update on what's been going on in the car. As you can see, here is a picture of a nice set of P2R heads. We did have a new set of heads done with bigger cams, upgraded valve springs that they came out with now recently, bronze valve guides, and a bunch of little other goodies that we're going to be testing out on the car. So here's just a little update on us getting the heads on, getting the car running, and getting ready for race season that's coming up this year. Alright, guys, as you can see, heads are on, car's running. Gonna try and get some testing in soon. Spring is right around the corner, so we'll see you guys at the track coming soon. Stay tuned.